Hello, friends. I have a story to share with you today which may alter your perception of your problems. It's about a prince, a stone, and a lesson that can transform your life as well. Once there was a young prince named Veer, who lived in a peaceful kingdom. Veer was a kind person, yet he had one major issue. He never worked hard. He loved comfort. When it was hot, he remained in his room. If it rained, he slept more. In case of any hardships, he said, "Why should I bother? Others will do it." The king, his father, worried. He often asked himself, "How shall my son be king of kingdom if he flees away out of all the problems?" One day the king thought he would give him a lesson. One night before sunrise, he commanded a big stone to be laid forth, squarely in the center of the great roadway, the very same road that they all followed to the market. Then the king hide and look. People had started to arrive in the morning. One of the merchants beheld the stone and cried, "Who put this here? This rock will make me late." He circled around it and proceeded. Then came a soldier. He hit the stone, broke his feet, and swore. A woman who was going to get water pots looked and sighed. Why does the king not repair the roads? Why not? Everyone complained. No one tried to move the stone. Hours passed. And lastly, there came a poor farmer. He had some vegetables on his back. He paused on seeing the large rock. He was weary. But with a low voice, he said, "When I fail to move it, other people may get injured." So he put his basket down and began to push the stone. It was hard. His hands slipped. Sweat rolled down his face. But he didn't stop. Bit by bit, he pushed the rock aside of the road, and when the stone moved, he saw a small bag underneath. He took off the cover, and his eyes were opened. There were coins of gold and a note found inside. The note said, "Here is the reward of the one who paves the way of the others." The farmer smiled. He had no idea that the king had written that note with his own hand. On this very evening, the king summoned his own son, Prince Veer, and declared to him what had occurred. He said, "Son, difficulties do not consist of punishment. They are tests. All the challenges that you encounter are an opportunity to become stronger. Finding the true treasure in life only comes by doing, not by complaining." The prince learned a lesson that day which he neither forgot. He said, "This time, no more of walking about the stone. I'll start moving it." Dear listeners, that is true for all of us as well. There will always be stones on our path in life. Delays, rejections, failures. But keep in mind, behind any problem there lies a veiled gift. Don't complain. Don't stop. Just move the stone. Since the easiest way to come out of a problem is to face it, and those who act always find the gold. I hope this story will help you to learn how to overcome problems in life.